The one-third conundrum. We have a bunch of zombies walking around our companies all across America today. When we hire them, we hire the mechanical part of them, the skills, the background, the education, the doing of the task. We don't bother to take the time to figure out why they want the job, what they want out of life, what their goals, what their emotions, what their heart is behind all of this. There's burnout and quiet quitting and all these various buzzwords out there. We've left it just at the surface level. And people are suffering, and businesses are suffering. It's $1 billion problem.
How many of you have this goal? If I went to your place of business or your house or wherever you hang out, how many of you have that goal on the wall somewhere where I could go see it right now? One person. John, how many times have you heard someone, when they're trying to convey a thought to you, they end every sentence with, "Do you see what I mean?"
Yeah.
What they're actually asking you to do is to see the pictures that they're creating in their own minds and try to get you to understand that point that you're trying to convey. Why wouldn't you tap into all of your team and try to see what they mean on a daily basis? See what they want for themselves, for their life. See how they want themselves to grow. See how they see their lives developing with and through your company. Melissa over there has been drawing, and so is Dave. I think he's drawing currently what his next vehicle acquisition is going to be. Think of the power behind, I am getting what I want for myself with and through your company, John, because you allowed me to explore these things. You allowed me to draw them, put them down on paper, put them on the wall where I can see them on a daily basis, and you're interested in me winning that. If you really want true growth in your company, you need to surround yourself with some serious entrepreneurial thinkers. You need to consider becoming as irrelevant as you can in a way that allows people around you to grow, and then get out of the way, because your company's going to go to places you've never seen before. If somebody really wants to know what's in it for them to work here, that means they're at least thinking about their future, right? So why wouldn't I take advantage of that attitude, if you will? Instead of calling it cocky, I would call it focused, and then say, well, let me show you what you can do working with and through my organization. So if you want to learn how to surround yourself with goal-crushing entrepreneurs that'll take your company to higher highs and also build the culture of your dreams,
Get up out of these chairs, go fill these chairs, and we're going to show you how.